Oh shit, what's up, y'all? Fuck, shit, fuck, oh shit, fuck. Okay. So, guys, this is how I made 100 peep 196.25 traded. S&P 500 today, guys. Let me show you. Okay. yo, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Let me get a simple one. Let me calibrate. Let me take a bite of that dick. I mean, that banana. Quality should be good. 1080p, good 1080p camera. Okay, great microphone quality. The quality on the microphone should be really fucking good now. I hope. I hope that it is busting. Oh no, what the fuck? No. No, why is it doing that? Hold on. Is it better now? There we go. Okay. Sorry, guys. I don't know why it was doing that. Sorry. Oh, shit. Wait. Wait. Wait, I don't know. Maybe I just turn that off then? Maybe I just turn this up a little bit? I hope that that's good. Hopefully. Okay, hopefully now it's good and doesn't sound like absolute shit. I don't know what the music sounds like. I'm just going to keep it a little bit at this lower level for right now. I'm really hoping that the microphone sounds good. I really hope so. Because it's picking me up, right? It's picking me up. It better be picking me up. Okay. Perfect. All right. Okay. All right. Now, let me show you guys how I banged the S&P 500 for exuberant wealth today. All right. And I'm going to be showing you the entry, why I took this trade, why it is a probable trade, and so forth. So we're going to go full screen mode and get me just my NASDAQ screen. So, alrighty, guys, this is why I decided to take this trade on NASDAQ here today, ladies and gentlemen. If we can actually get out of the full screen really fast. There we go. Give me just this one. Perfect. Alrighty. So, and I don't like that it is. There we go. Okay. I don't like that sometimes. Okay. What are we doing on the hourly time frames? All right. We have come up and taken out all-time highs. We have these kind of equal highs right here. We have came up. We have took them out. And then we even see more internal. We come up, take these out, and then we have this area of liquidity right here. We come up and take that out as well. Heavily reject. All right. So then I know that from this move, from this low to this high, okay, here's EQ of the move, okay, which is closing in on this bullish fair value gap. That when we're in a bullish trend, so you know that we are going to want to come back, tap into this bullish gap, and then continue moving higher. All right. So now we've checked out the hourly or the 4 hour. Let's see what's going on the hourly. All right, exactly like I said, we took out this higher time frame liquidity up here. We take out previous all-time highs, and then we have this move down. All right, bearish gap, run through it. We come up to sweep liquidity so we can continue to move down, to then move down, tap into this gap, fill an imbalance, and move higher. Now, let's check it out on the 15-minute. All right, so now that I know the S&P is the leading index because of these bullish SMTs that we've put in, I knew that I was going to want to take a trade on here, and we even which means that Nasdaq's the lagging index on this, this New York AM session. Okay, dude, I have this sleepy time patch on, and it's making me a little drowsy. They're just such a pain in the bitch to take off, dude. Like, legitimately, bub. Ugh. I'll get it off later. Okay. SMT. We made lower lows off of these lows, came down and manipulated these 15-minute lows, where on S&P we did not. We made these lows, came down, took out this liquidity, but did not. And then we also have NASDAQ took out these lows, took out these Asian, London, London lows. Here's Asia lows. And swept out this liquidity to then move to the downside to hit. We have not hit EQ, but we did hit the EQ of this fair value gap. So in turn, I made money. Okay, so grand. Honestly, it's not really the money, but I had a winning trade. Okay, my trade idea was correct. Okay, and bro, what makes me even more happier about today is that, like, bro, I know that my conviction, my clarity is getting way better. Okay, like, I literally top tick the fuck out of this entry. Like, I knew what the market, where the market needed to go. Okay, especially taking out that high time frame liquidity. Then we've seen kind of internal manipulation. Then SMT, break of structure, bearish for value gap, get respected. Everything that I needed to see was there. Let me break it down. Okay, we first see all time highs get swept. Okay, up here. This is this move up here. Now we have buy side liquidity. All right, then bam, we have this accumulation range right here where we don't move above. Bam, we move above, sweep liquidity. What the fuck was that? That was really strange. Dude, I gotta just rip it off. Look, it's literally hanging on a thread. Holy fucking moly. That bitch hurts weird. Don't ask me why I smelled it. Okay. We have this all-time highs being taken out. All right. Then we have SMT get put in. Two bullish SMTs. SMT heaven being fucking smacked around on these indexes. All right. Then what do we see? We see a 5-minute manipulation of these highs. All right. So we continue to move lower. We come up. We sweep. We wick. And we continue moving lower. Now after this, SMT high time frame liquidity sweep. Okay. We have 5-minute break of structure right here. What am I looking for? I'm looking for a 1 or 5-minute retrace to confirm our trade bias. All right. Now, that's exactly what happens, and I enter on this 5-minute fair value gap getting tapped back into. All right. So we do. This was way before. So we have this 5-minute gap right here. Okay, that we tap into. And I'm not going to lie with everything, with internal manipulation, high time frame liquidity sweep, EQ sitting in a bullish fair value gap when we are super bullish on the hourly. I knew that price needs to hit either that fair value gap or EQ. So once we tapped, we displaced. After sweeping high time frame liquidity, we displaced through the lows, creating a bearish gap. And then I knew once we came back up on the 1 minute, we had a 1-minute gap, we had a 5-minute gap right here. Comes back up, taps the 5-minute gap, wicks into it, continues moving down. When we wick into that bearish gap, that was my entry. And what am I targeting? Okay, we have London lows right here, Asian lows right here, previous day New York high or New York lows right here. We have the EQ of this bullish fair value gap, and then we also have EQ of the 4-hour move from the previous day. Okay, and as you can see. And I went ahead and I entered twice here. So, you know, I always pull off and take partials. You can see right here. Here are my 4 exits. 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though, or no, it probably would have been. Who knows, man? I pull off cons. I move to break even. I am a risk-free, risk-adverse trader. What can I say? You know, I know what I'm doing in the game. Not really. Sometimes though. And today we were able to get a winning trade, making $200. So. I will take it. Small wins stack up. I just gotta stick to my plan. Stick to what I know. I got it. I'm just glad that there was a opportunity to trade today. Fuck yeah, dude. Fuck to the yeah. And then I decided to enter again. We kind of formed a fair value gap right here, but now we have We closed through it, so it really didn't exist. But right here, we kind of made a fair value gap, and then we ran through it right here. So I'm thinking, okay, and then bam, I took a half my contract over here, moved my stops to break even, got stopped out, and I think we'll eventually move to EQ, but I made my money for the day. I am good. I really want to start trading minis just so I can get used to my funded. I am back on a paper account just to build up a little conviction. I passed a funded account, and then I was trying to pass another funded account, and I blew it. So yeah, I'm just really trying to build up some conviction and clarity. I assume with today being Thursday and tomorrow being Friday, to be completely honest, I'll probably just paper trade tomorrow, and then just fucking what's it called? Just buy that account Monday. Oh, nice. So it just charged me. It actually just charged me for the funded account. Tough. That's tough. 90 bucks. Okay, well. Well, that's tough. Okay, well, never mind. Looks like we will be trading the funded tomorrow. It just reset my account. Hold on, let me switch this really fast. Let me switch. Who knows, dude? I don't know what the fuck's even going on, bro. I don't know, but hold on. I'm gonna log in, dude. That's so fuck, bro. That's so fucked, dude. That's so fucked. It just logged me the fuck out, or not logged me the fuck out, bro. But literally, that's fucked, bro. Bro, like already? Yeah. Damn, dude. Okay, well, it just reset my account, and I paid 89 bucks, so that's awesome. But hey, looks like we're trading on the funded tomorrow. Passing this bitch. Let's fucking do it, guys. I wonder if you can even see anything here. Nothing. Well, that's tough, I guess. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm gonna just have to cut some of the video off. Look.